host, Fearless Floyd. And generally, I don't promote products. Very rarely do you ever see me wear anything with a logo on it or promoting anything. This, of course, you see this is my Brad Paisley shirt, like Shelton, something, picked up in the entertainment industry. Um, However, today I'm going to talk about something that I discovered at a T-Mobile location that I found. I mean, I didn't even know they still made phones like this. This phone is unbelievable. If you're a prepper or a survivalist, this is the phone you want to get. Or if you're just paranoid about alphabets belonging to agencies, you may want to score this. So let me share my screen, introduce you to this product. And right here, it's made by Caterpillar, of all things. I didn't even know Caterpillar made phones. Now I do. Now you do too. This is the Cat S22 Flip Phone. You can see pictures of it. And it's a smart flip phone. And you can see it's, Android 11, Go Edition, programmable PTT button, push to talk button, military spec, drop tested 6 feet out of steel, waterproof to a depth of 5 feet for up to 35 minutes. Now, the salesman at the store, Jermaine, we'll give you a big shout out over there at T-Mobile in I guess that was Kemah, Seabrook area. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. He was taking it, man, just standing there right there, dropping it on the ground. And this thing's like almost, can't say it's bulletproof, but yeah, it takes a licking and keeps on ticking for sure. Basically, it's what it looks like open. All right, come on. This is a touch screen, and this is the outer screen, and of course, your camera and all that. Basically, that's what the dial face looks like. Real simple, easy to use. Doing that. Thank you. This is some more stuff. Let's look at the technical specs. Got a 2000 AH battery, which is okay. However, right there, that's what got my attention. Removable lithium ion battery. And when you take the battery out, that's a wrap. You cannot be tracked. You cannot be pinged. You cannot be traced. So somebody gave you some malware or a virus or a Trojan horse that tracks you, all you do is pop that battery out. That's a wrap, baby. No more. Just like the old phones from back in the day, pop that out. 2 GB of RAM, 16 ROM, processor. So apparently, you can put in up to 128 GB expandable with micro SD card. Now, I did not see that, and that is not in the features. That's a major, major plus for this phone. It's got a front and rear facing camera. These are your displays. The external display has Gorilla Glass 5, as with the inside. Now they have these other smartphones that are they're not flip phones. Same thing, but they're not as tough is this thing? 13 below Fahrenheit up to 122 for up to 30 minutes, which is a good thing. Accelerator, ambient light sensor, proximity barometer. You know, barometer. When you see that on a phone. Hearing aid compatible. Won't quit. Networks it operates on, connectivity. Now, I'll tell y'all before I even get there, it works for T-Mobile and AT&T. It is an unlocked phone, which is a great thing. Um, so if you have an AT&T prepaid, just pop it right in, and you're good to go. All right, now let's go to the features. And I didn't know this till I went and got on the website and started looking up. It has a thermal imaging camera. How cool is that? The integrated FLIR, forward-looking infrared, that's what that stands for, thermal imaging camera on the Cat S61 smartphone can be used to monitor. Oh, okay, so this is not on the flip phone. My bad. That's cool. That's really a cool feature. So I thought that was for the cats, but it's not. But it does have and no, that's the S61 as well. So I thought I was looking just at the S22. So that has the indoor. Yeah, it's the S61 as well. That's a cool phone, but the problem is you can't remove the battery. And the whole selling point to me on the flip phone was that you could take out the battery and kill the phone. And that way nobody could you know, contact you. So let me share my screen. This is the actual box that it comes in. You can see Cat S22 Flip. That's the screen. And that's what it looks like folded open. This is how it charges. And then there's the front. And there's the rear. It sits on the charger. This battery right here pops off, kills the phone. That's a wrap. And that is awesome. So I wanted you guys to see this phone. All you preppers out there, that's it's it's fits in your pocket well. It's a little heavy, a little bulky, but you need to go underwater, you get some freezing temperatures, some hot temperature, drop it, throw it. I'm pretty sure you could probably throw that thing down the street and it's gonna make it. It's one of those phones. So if you got one of those girlfriends who like to fuck up your phones, that's probably a good phone to get. Only thing I can think she did is just break it in half because it's a flip phone. But other than that, uh, awesome prepper, survival, incognito, I don't want to be found phone. Um, the Fearless Floyd Show at yahoo.com. Like and subscribe, share the video, check out all my other videos. Thank you for watching. Just wanted to share this little bit on this unique piece of technology that still survives in an age of 1984 Big Brother watching you. Thanks, kids. Happy New Year. Be safe.